Hello, welcome to Summer Creek Lane. Come inside. You're in for a treat today because this property is built for entertaining. 2,600 plus square feet, 3 spacious bedrooms. Look at this living space with 20-foot high ceilings, massive windows, a beautiful beam that goes up through the top, and then this gorgeous chandelier that comes down over your dining room area. You've got plush carpet, diamond cut marble stone. It is really a great entry into your property. And then it leads over into the family room / kitchen open concept, which is great for entertaining or just hanging out with the family. You've got the fireplace, you have access outside of your backyard, and then as you turn around, you've got this very nice open kitchen space with a breakfast nook area, nice center island. It's clean, it's move-in ready. Got the appliances. I mean, it really is that perfect move-in ready property. Picture yourselves here in your kitchen each morning, preparing breakfast, getting ready to start the day, having your coffee, hanging out with the kids. You could put some bar stools right here, or just have a nice little table for your breakfast nook. A lot of other folks, here's what they're doing. They're creating kind of like a niche with seating. So this way you have almost another living area space here to kind of hang out in the kitchen / family room, which is always great. You have access to your direct car garage, laundry room right behind you there. And then we come on over to the rest of the property, leading ourselves back upstairs to the 3 bedrooms, plus a very cool bonus area. But before we get there, I wanted to show you this nice little bathroom down here, perfect powder room. For those that don't want to go upstairs, you have access to this bathroom here. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you, I think, a very cool treat. It's the closet, the downstairs closet. Here's what's neat about it. It's not your normal downstairs closet. You've got a lot of space in here. You can make it the closet. A lot of people right now, what they're doing is they're converting this into a wine cellar. You've got kiddos. You can turn it into a kid's corner because it's very deep. It goes in and under. For those of you that love pets, you can actually make this the little pet pooch palace. Put a door here, boom. Inside access, outside access, and our pets are super happy. So it comes with a lot of options just in a downstairs closet. Let's go upstairs and check out the rest. So this is the upstairs bonus area. There's a few things for us to look at and talk about up here. First of all, just the space overall. If you've got a family, you can turn this into the play area, sitting area. You've got a nice cabinet center here. The cool thing is you can also look down to your beautiful living and dining room area, which is, I think, a very cool feature. Not to mention all the other space to do what you want. But let's say, do you want to go outside? Check this out. You've got a very neat balcony view out here. And yes, you can come out and enjoy the sweet sounds of the freeway. But that's okay. It comes with the property, and those of us who've lived by freeways before, I can tell you, it is what it is, and it is what you make of it. But let's see the rest of this beautiful home and the master bedroom. You take a look at those bedrooms, I'll meet you in the master. Welcome to the master bedroom, as they say, where all the magic happens. Check this space out. It is huge. You got 9-foot ceilings, big and open. Remember, I'm 6'4". Look at how big this room is. You can put a California king bed. You've got room for your dressers, a credenza, a seating area. But the best part is that view every day, morning and night. You get the beautiful rolling hills, city lights view, and I know you weren't expecting that. So, gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite parts of the house because of that view. And then check out this master bathroom. Huge, right? It's clean, it's perfect, easy, move in, ready, or customize it to all of the bells and whistles that you want. You've got dual vanities, you've got a seating area for dressing, put it on your makeup. Look at the bathtub, a nice soaking tub, and then a standalone shower. This is, again, a nice, spacious shower. This is what you expect in your master bathroom. And then of course, a very large closet space that you can customize or use it the way it is. Let's go see that backyard. Did you enjoy the upstairs? That master bathroom, the view, the big bonus area, wasn't that fun? I love this downstairs area, the family room that we're in, because it opens up to your kitchen. And we constantly get asked, can you find us a property that's open from the kitchen to the family room? Thirsty for more? We can open this up to the outside area. So you can have a full inside, outside vibe for entertaining, for hanging out, you name it. This covered patio is perfect for that. We've got stamped concrete, brick details, a beautiful covered patio area, and then we've got this neat side yard that comes with an herb garden. You can have your trees over there for citrusing, all of that fun stuff. And then you have more planters, more room, but I like how it's clean, it's landscape. You don't have to do a lot to it. You also have an above ground jacuzzi. This thing comes with all the bells and whistles, the sound system, the jets. We currently have it empty just for liability purposes. It's a vacant property, so we don't want any water in here, anything bad happening, but it is fully functioning. We've got a nice fountain area over here, and then a nice little patch of grass. You can put turf in, or you can keep it the way it is. You've got another side yard here that can act as your RV section, maybe put some toys over here in this area. And then if you're tall enough like me, you can still take advantage of that view back there. Now, you have options. You can keep this home the way it is back here and enjoy it, or you'd like to enhance it. You can put in a television, you can put in surround sound, you can even add an outdoor kitchen area for those of you chefs that love doing that outside cooking. The options are endless with this property. Let's recap. 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, over 2,600 square feet of beautiful living space, massive ceilings, the gorgeous view of the hills and the lights. If you would like to see this property, I would love to show it to you. You're in the Anaheim Hills area of Orange County. You get the Orange Unified School District, Olive Elementary, Canyon High School, and you still have access to everything that Orange County has to offer. Your minutes to the amusement parks, your minutes to some of the best Orange County beaches, colleges, private schools, restaurants, dining, you name it, you have access to it. It's a lifestyle you get with Summer Creek Lane. And I'd love to show it to you in person. Call me or text me, 714-335-0844. Have a great day.